Now, the strategy I'm about to show you now within the next few minutes is dangerously accurate. Like, I mean, this particular strategy was literally created to damage the market, because this strategy can run as a scalper. That's, you can use it to scalp consistently on your account, or you can just use it to run a swing trade, run swing trades on your account crazily just like that. Now, you can actually run this particular stuff on little capitals up to like $10 and up to like $5 to flip your account crazily just like that. You can also run it on larger capitals up to $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, $100,000. Now, the beauty about this particular strategy, apart from it being dangerously accurate, is that basically anyone and everyone can use it. Like, if you are a pro trader, it's perfect for you. If you are a beginner trader, it's also perfect for you. With this particular strategy I'm about to show you now, you get to see where the market is actually heading to. You see the points to actually go into the market. You see the points to actually zoom off the market. Now, what I'm about to show you now, nobody would want to actually give it out for free, because it only makes sense because of the accuracy of this particular strategy. But this is Mr. PFX, guys. They all go out come for free, because guys, come to think of it, there's like, I have nothing to lose. I'm picking from the market and you're picking from the market. Like, we are all picking from the market. Like, trillions of dollars are running through the market every single day. So there's really nothing to lose showing you this strategy completely for free. Now, the very first thing we'll be doing here is I will be showing you exactly how the strategy actually works, after which we'll be storming into the market using this strategy just like that. Meanwhile, if you are new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button there, hit the like button there, and remember to turn the notification bell and share this video so more people can actually gain access to this video just like that. And don't forget, guys, just as you hit the subscription button, remember to also hit the like button, guys. Just hit the like button, guys. And guys, if you are already part of this YouTube channel, you're already part of Mr. PFX, don't forget to turn the notification bell if your notification bell is not on yet. And remember to hit the like button also. Just hit the like button, guys. So not to waste so much time, guys, let's dive in now. Boom. Now, this is what we're having currently at the spot. Now, the very first thing you need to understand is we'll be running this test on Volatility 75. That's a synthetic index. Now, this particular strategy can run perfectly on your Euro USD, your GBP USD, your GBP JPY. It can run perfectly on your NASDAQ, that's your US 100. It can run perfectly on your Dow Jones, that's your US 30. It can run perfectly on your gold, that's your XAUSD. It can work perfectly on this chart, also on your boom and crash and other volatility indices on a synthetic index just like that. But just for the sake of this video, guys, we'll be using Volatility 75. Just like you already know, this particular strategy is going to come for free, but it will be available on the website just 3 days from now. So if you go on the website now, it's not on the website at this very minute. It will be uploaded into the website automatically just 3 days from now, right? So you just go on mrpfx.com and you should be able to just find it directly on the website. You should download it in a zip format. Now, what you want to do first is to unzip it. After doing that, you want to copy that files. You should see 2 files there, because this particular strategy is called Magnetic 33. Now, the reason why it's 33 is because it actually took 33 trials to actually create this stuff, and this stuff was not created from scratch by me. I actually just did a lot of modifications for a lot of time to actually arrive at this perfect strategy like that. Now, immediately after downloading, you should see 2 files there. The first one, Magnetic 33A, and the second one, Magnetic 33B. Now, in installing the stuff, you copy those 2 files. After unzipping it, you go under your files, you go under your open data folder. Now, after that, you want to go under your MQ5, and then you want to paste it inside your indicators, Now, after doing that, you want to close everything, close your MT5 also. Now, I can close my MT5 because I already have mine here, right? To just save time. Now, after doing that, you need to place in the first Magnetic 33A. Now, if we place that now, this is what we'll be having. So we'll be having a lines like this. The colors might be different. You can decide to change it to this exact stuff. Now, what this is actually showing us is showing us the trend. It's showing us the perfect breakout that is actually happening within the chart here, and it's telling us, it's helping us to filter the trades. showing us the accuracy of the actual movement of the chart. This will also be helping us to know our exact entry point and our exact exit point. Now, knowing this, let's actually place in a magnetic 33B now. This is what we're having, guys. Now, in using this particular stuff is actually extremely easy. Now, what I just need to watch out for is my breakouts. Now, let me adjust this. Now, you can actually notice that there is a breakout that occurred here. Now, immediately as a breakout occurs, I'm looking for two different things. Number one, I'm looking for my CH, or I'm looking for my BOS. Right now, there's the CH that's a green, and then there's the one that is the red. Same thing for the BOS, the green BOS and the red BOS. Now, the green CH must be at the top, and the red CH must be at the bottom. The green BOS must be at the top, the red BOS must be at the bottom. That's all you need to know. Now, what do you notice happened here now? What do you notice? Boom, a breakout occurred. After that, I'm looking for either a CH or a BOS. Now, it's going down now. Now, what do you notice actually occurred here? A CH, and it's at the bottom, right? It's closer to this place, right? It's very close to this green, to this my red, sorry, this my red line that's at the bottom here, right? It's very close, meaning it's at the bottom, right? Now, what does that mean? Immediately as I see a red like this, CH, I want to storm into enough buys, right? Immediately, because it's at the bottom, right? I want it to go up, so I want to buy, right? Now, I storm into enough buys in this stuff. Now, what do I need to do now? I need to know my stop loss and my take profit. Now, my stop loss can just be two things. Number one, if there's a level before it, then just simply place it below the level. In this case, we actually have a level, but there are times that we won't have any level, right? So what I need to do next is to actually use my bullish engulfing pattern. That's where this particular stuff actually got from, because this CH belongs to this candlestick here. I want to wait for an extra I want to wait for an extra bearish formation to close at this spot. That's an extra bearish candlestick to close at about this spot, right? Now, immediately as I see something like that, I'm also out of the trade like that. Now, those are the two ways of leaving this particular entry, right? Now, for my take profit, same thing. I want to look for the next level, right? Now, I go into this trade at about this spot. What's the next level? This is the next level, so I place in my take profit at the spot. Now, that's for that. Now, the second way to actually place in my take profit is to just wait for it to come hit my blue line. In this case, because we're buying, right? If we're selling, wait for it to come hit our red line. That's just it. Now, so in this case, this stuff actually crossed at the spot, not necessarily a complete breakout. It just needs to push above the line. Now, what it did, it pushed above the line. Now I'm looking for my CH or my BOS. Unfortunately, I met my CH first, which is perfect. So what do? I stock in a lot of buys there, and then I place my stop loss, and then I place my take profit there, and I'm done. That's it, guys. That's just it. Now, after that, boom, you notice it actually hit my take profit like that. Now, what do we notice after that? Boom, a breakout occurred again, or we can just say it pushed above our blue line. Now, I'm looking for again my next stop, either my red or my blue, right? I'm looking for either my CH or my BOS. Now, it's going again, and boom, the first thing I met was my CH. Now, what do you notice about the CH? It's a red CH, and this CH, is it closer to this place or is closer to the top? Of course, it's closer to the top. So it's not supposed to be red, it's supposed to be green if it's closer to the top. So I can't go into this trade now because it's red. Red is supposed to be at the bottom, not at the top. So I'm going to leave that trade. I'm going to abandon that trade. Now I'm just going to wait for another push to the bottom. Boom, another one. I'll call that about the spot. You can actually see it. Now after that, what do we notice? We notice this stop just kept playing around, and then boom, it actually formed my BOS. Now my BOS is what? Is actually a red BOS. Now the fact that it's a red BOS, you already know what to do, right? We're stocking in buys now on this particular stop. Now our stop loss will just be the level before it. Now, do you notice there's no level before it? So what do I need to do? I need to check out if the next candlestick will close as a bearish or as a bullish. If it closes as a bearish, then I'm out of this trade. If it closes as a bullish, then I can still remain. Now, what do I have now? I'm having that this particular stuff actually closed as a bullish, meaning that I can actually remain in this trade. Now, the next candlestick that actually got formed, it closed as a bearish. Now, what do I need to do now? I actually just need to wait for an extra confirmation if the next one will actually close now as a bearish again. Now, of course not. The next one actually closed as a bullish, so I just relax. I already know where my take profit is. This is my first level, so my take profit is here. After which, boom, it actually smashed my take profit just like that. Now, the stuff actually just continues. You can actually just continue like that with the stuff. Just same thing, guys, just similar like that. Now guys, so not to waste so much time, let's actually look at real entries now. Let's actually storm into live trades now. Okay guys, so this is exactly what you're having now. Guys, just remember that we're actually running this stuff on a 50 minutes time frame all the time, right? 50 minutes time frame. Now we'll be using crash 1000 in this case, right? So we can actually explore more options, right? We've actually been able to check out a Volatility 75. Let's actually just go into main trade on crash 1000 so that we would have covered volatility indices and also covered crash and boom indices. This particular stuff actually pushed up from this particular spot, got to the zone, after which it dropped down again, right, and gave another breakout. What's that telling us? It's telling me that I can actually storm in enough buys, because look at it, the CH is not green, right? It's red, meaning it's supposed to be here, right? So I can easily just storm into some nice buys at about the spot, right? I storm into the buys, even though this particular stuff will now be a little bit like a late entry, because this stuff has already it's already playing around, even though it's not pushing up yet, but you can see it, right? It's actually drop and then it's playing around. Remember what I told you, we go into the stuff, we watch out for the next candlestick. If it closes in red, we can actually just zoom off the stop, because there's no other level at about the spot that we can see, right? There's no other level. So we just wait, the stop pushed up and now it's still playing around this level. It's even still pushing up. So guys, what do we need to do now? Let's actually storm into this particular trade now, so that we already know where our take profit and our stop loss will be. We already know we went into this particular trade. All we just need to watch out for is if the next candlestick actually closes in red. If the next candlestick closes in red, we know that, well, there's a huge possibility of it dropping down. And if I actually try zooming this stuff out, I discovered that we actually have levels, right? Meaning that, well, we don't really need to use that, right? And next level after that is around this level. It's around the spot, right? This is actually the level just before that. This is actually where the level is, right? If I should map that out, we should be having something like this. Let me map that out so you can actually see that. So we're actually having this particular level at about the spot. Now, if you feel that maybe this risk is too much, then it's possible to use the sub level also, right? We can just try using the sub level instead, which is at about the spot, right? Just at about the spot, right? We can try using the sub level, so that if it hits that level, we can actually just zoom off this particular trade. Now, so as to our take profit is actually very, very easy also. Our level here is actually just this, right? So this is actually our first level, right? This is actually our first level, and this actually our second level also, and then our second level is already close to our blue line. So we'll actually just wait and just see how this particular stuff actually goes. So that this is exactly what you're having currently, guys. So you can actually see that this particular stuff has just been pushing up. I was actually monitoring this stuff. It's actually looking so cool. We had a capital of about 976. Now we're having about 2,000 bucks of profit, and equity over 3,000 bucks currently of equity, just like that. Now this particular stuff is actually really, really smooth, guys. You just need to follow the rules. If this stuff is actually complicated, it's actually cool. You can just watch this video over and over and over again until you actually understand exactly how this stuff works. That's just how this particular stuff actually goes, guys. So like I already told you, this particular stuff is going to come for free. You are not paying a dime for it, guys. Now all you just simply need to do is to go on mrpfx.com just 3 days from now. Videos like this are extremely stressful, guys. That's why if you are new to this particular YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button there, guys. Remember to hit the like button also. Remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping out from this place. And if you are already part of us in this particular YouTube channel, don't forget, guys, to actually turn on the notification bell if it's not turned on yet. And remember to hit the like button, guys. Just hit the like button, and don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section there, guys, because I actually read every single comment there, guys. And we are trying to hit 60,000 subscribers as soon as possible. Immediately as we actually hit 60,000 subscribers, I'm coming back to this very video here, and I'm going through the comment section, and I'll be selecting 5 random subscribers that will just be funding the account $10,000 each, just like that. Also, don't forget, if you need a larger prop firm accounts to trade on your synthetic indices like your boom and crash, volatility indices, jump indices, step index, and the rest of them, or you just want to trade on your forex or your commodities or your stocks or your stock indices, whatever, you can actually do all of these stuff on the Traders Capital prop firm. So you can just go on the tradercapital.com to actually get an account from there, just like that. So that's just how this podcast actually goes, guys. So bye from guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.